Today we're going to make a Peri Peri Paneer Calzone. This dish is truly global fusion. Peri Peri sauce का origin Portugal में हुआ, पनीर जिसका invention Persia में हुआ और calzone of course is from Italy. और इस dish को खाएंगे हम आमची मुंबई में. So let's get started. First we're going to make our dough. We're going to add plain maida. Add a little water and of course a nice big glug of oil. We're going to add a pinch of salt. So as you can see, the yeast has completely dissolved in the water, and I'm going to add this to our flour. And now I'm just going to mix all this up. As you can see, our dough has come together very nicely. Now all we're going to do is just take this out onto our board. I'm just going to oil my hands and just put this together. A calzone is basically a folded pizza. So it has all the toppings that you would put into a pizza, but it's like a nice, secure pocket so that nothing falls out. All right? This is ready, and we can start making our filling. So now that our dough is ready, we're going to just leave it here on the side to rest. And now we're going to start with our calzone filling. So we're going to start off with paneer, which is the base of our filling or our main ingredient. To this, we're going to add tomatoes, red and yellow pepper, then of course some garlic, basil. Just stir it and throw it in. I love the aroma of basil. It's just too beautiful. A good amount of peri peri sauce. Here it goes. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper, very little, a whole lot of cheese. So we do cheese, and now we give this stir. Now that this is ready, what I'm going to do is take my dough, put a little flour onto my table, and just roll this out. All right, and cut it to a particular size. The side. Here is my calzone. So here goes my calzone filling right in the center. And now I'm just going to double this over, pinch the sides, and then just pretty it up a bit by making a little design with this fork. This is how simple it is. So I'm going to go and do a whole lot more. Arrange my calzone onto this with a lot of love. Brush these babies with some butter. Our calzone is ready, brushed with butter, and is now going to pop into the oven 200 degrees till it turns nice and golden brown. calzone is out of the oven. It's beautifully browned. So please do watch the recap and come right back.
Peri Peri Paneer Calzone. For the dough, in a separate bowl, add 250-gram all-purpose flour, 75 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. Add the activated yeast to the mixture and cut it until the dough comes together. Take it out onto the tabletop and bring it together by oiling your hands. Knead it until it reaches a soft consistency. Let the dough rest on the side. For the filling, in a separate bowl, add 250 gram of cubed paneer, 1 to 2 chopped tomatoes, 50 gram of red and yellow pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 5 to 6 basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of peri peri sauce, crushed black pepper to taste, and 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. Now mix it all together. To prepare your calzone, break off a small piece of the dough and roll it out onto your tabletop. Use a cutting mold to create a circular shape for the covering. Now spoon in a generous helping of the filling and fold the dough to cover it from all sides. Use a fork to seal the edges of the calzone. Repeat the process of the remaining calzones. Place your prepared calzones on parchment paper on a baking tray and brush 1 teaspoon of butter on all of them. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Your delicious Peri Peri Paneer calzones are ready.